welcome to AdhiAish Shows. Today we are going to make a healthy pink vada. Come, let's begin. First, soak the masala dal 5 to 6 hours. Now we are going to grind this. For grinding, we need to add chili and fennel seeds. Now we are going to grind this. Some asafoetida. Add some salt. Add some grated beetroot. Look at it, like that pig. You have to do like that. You have to shake it. It's okay. Maybe they hot. Yummy!